You're having a party. You set your lighting. One person goes in your bathroom, which is attached to your living room, let's say, and they turn the lights on, full bore, change your setting. And they come out of the bathroom and they leave the door open and surgical lighting streams out of the bathroom into the party. Look, I'm not gonna be a jerk. Well, what I mean is I'm not a jerk, but what I do is I set the lighting and then I take an index card with two, pieces of tape turned like this, and I just place it over the light switch so that the light switch just looks like a blank piece of paper. They won't change your lighting. And what will happen is the door will open and close however many times in the night, and you'll still be looking at the same lighting setting. Little things you can do is when you unlock your door for a party, you can have a sign on your doorbell that says this. We have had some problems with this where late in the evening on party nights, people will simply open my door from the street. That's happened. But basically just little small guidances. Please don't touch the lighting. Just open the door. It sounds strict, but it's actually helpful. This is if you have a lot of people in your house. And this is so everybody doesn't ring your bell. You can ring my bell, ring my bell.